Explosions were reported in Dnipro city as Russian military force began moving into Ukraine on Thursday. Footage shows a giant cloud of orange smoke erupting from the horizon near the Dnipro River, while Russian troops reportedly targeted military facilities in Ukraine before dawn on February 24. Blasts were also reported in the cities of Mariupol, Kharkiv, Sumy, and the country's capital, Kyiv, as well as the other cities close to the border. Many local residents were seen panicked at the escalation of hostilities and lamented that they did not know where to go or what to do. Mariupol residents queued at ATM machines and rushed to leave the city after Russian troops launched a wide-ranging attack on the country.
Военное положение. А что Паника, что? Паника?
Конечно, всем страшно.
Дети, куда детей девать?
страшно.
Куда прятаться?
Куда деваться надо?
Убежищ нету, ничего нету. Ровное место. Куда?
There were long lines of traffic on a road leading out of the Ukraine capital on Thursday, hours after the attack. Big explosions were heard before dawn in Kyiv, Kharkiv, and Odessa as world leaders decried the start of a military operation that could cause massive casualties, topple Ukraine's democratically elected government, and threaten the post-Cold War balance on the continent. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky urged global leaders to provide defense assistance to Ukraine and help protect its airspace from Russian aggression. Zelensky declared martial law, saying Russia has targeted Ukraine's military infrastructures.
Я поговорив з Байденом, Джонсоном, Шарлем Мішелем, Дудою, Наусєдою. Ми починаємо створення антипутінської коаліції. Вже закликав світових лідерів задіяти всі можливі санкції проти Путіна, розпочати масштабну оборонну підтримку, закрити для агресора повітряний простір над Україною. Спільно ми маємо врятувати Україну, врятувати демократичний світ.
Ukrainians who had long braced for the prospect of an assault were urged to stay home and not panic, even as Ukrainian authorities reported artillery barrages and airstrike on targets around the country.